Here today, back in West London College, cooking with Delos prawns, cooked with 10 other chefs, really amazing prawns.
Fantastic prawn, really good flavour, great bite to it, and the main thing is they're super sustainable.
The size as well is very appealing. It's very nice and very shiny. The meat is very tangible and very soft in the same time.
Very tasty, nice and fresh. We did a load of work with a few other chefs from the region. Looking forward to getting these into the business and trying to work to develop some more recipes.
We're very proud of our prawns because we're making sure that every step of the way we are ensuring the highest quality.
Since I've been in UK, I never come across with the top quality like this, so that's your turn to try it.
There are prawns and there are Delos prawns. And we're very sure that Delos prawns are of the best quality of prawns there is in the UK market today.
Thank you, Chefs Forum and Delos, for the opportunity. Wow.